Welcome to SGM Business World, a division of Sagnika Global Marketing Private Limited. The healthy body is a sacred garment. It's your first and last garment. It is what you enter life in and what you depart life with, and it should be treated with honor. Stated by Martha Graham, our thoughts, benefits, and emotions play a very significant role in determining your health and well-being. The key to good health is consumption of healthy and nutritious food directly or in form of nutrition supplements or health supplements. Stated by Dr. K.C. Sahu, the MD of Ever SGM. Muffin Pro. Muffin Pro contains the following nutritional facts. Soya protein. Soy proteins is an important protein. It means it contains all of the essential amino acids. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. They help fuel your brain, kidney, heart muscles, and central nervous system. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is good for healthy vision, skin, bones, and other tissues in the body. Vitamin A often works as an antioxidant, fighting cell damage. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 or thiamine helps prevent complications in the nervous system, brain cells, muscles, heart, stomach, and intestines. Vitamin B2, or you may call it riboflavin, is a vitamin that is needed for growth and overall good health. Vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine, may improve blood mood and reduce symptoms of depression, and may promote brain health and reduce Alzheimer's risk. Vitamin C boosts immunity and may reduce your risk of chronic disease. Vitamin D3, calcium and phosphorus. Vitamin D3, calcium and phosphorus is important for building and keeping strong bones. DHA. DHA, or we may call it docosahexaenic acid, is essential for the growth and functional development of the brain in infants. DHA is also required for maintenance of normal brain functions in adults. Iron. Iron is an essential mineral that is needed for making hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells that helps transport oxygen around the body. It plays a key role in supporting the immune system too. Magnesium. Magnesium is needed for more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It helps to maintain normal nerve and muscle functions, supports a healthy immune system. Zinc. It is needed for the body's defense or immune system to work properly. Manganese. Manganese helps with protein and amino acids digestion and utilization. Copper. Copper is found in all body tissues and plays a vital role in making red blood cells and making nerve cells and the immune system. Chromium. It may be effective at improving the body's response to insulin by lowering blood sugar. Selenium. Selenium plays a vital role, or you may call a critical role, in metabolism and thyroid function and helps protect your body from damage caused by oxidative stress. Selenium may boost your immune system, slow age-related mental decline, and even reduce your risk of heart diseases. So no need to say about the consumption or usage of Muffin Pro. So grab the life-changing business opportunities and serve the loyal class nutrition supplements or health supplements to your family, friends, relatives, colleagues, near and dear ones around you. Spread the true health globally with compassion. Transform your life with Ever SGM. Start now. Thank you.